Good morning. Basically, I'm Siti Hamimah Ismail and my partner Nurul Akhil binti Zainal. We are from She Supply and Consultation presenting our research methodology paper for business model canvas. Part of our mission is we like to empower organization to foster collaborative thinking on innovation among our team, where we believe the company should act as a professional to develop a community innovation to create a better life and environment. Our company basically is a service company and also a product company where we serve 25 years experience in the industries. We are professionals doing ducting cleanings, mold remediation and indoor air quality. Shin Gym Care is one of our notorious product in terms of innovation where we use natural biodegradable products from the Suraimani and also Bacillus enzyme. So this particular two treatments is doing the remediation for mold precisely in indoor air quality environment in the buildings. Why we see this as an opportunity? Because there is a market gap. Most of the product in the market using IPA to treat mold remediation, while we are opt to the natural biodiversity in the product itself, where the origin of the product coming from leaches, and we also do the natural products with using the microbial enzymes extractions towards the mold remediation. Okay, part of the 80% of asset facilities management company, they are having problem to maintain the HVAC and aircon issues. Out of the 100 buildings in the center of the city, is already tested the product, and most of the product is biodegradable. Our key partner here is basically the ducting cleaning and mold remediation company like Redwood Orchard, Draggers, A&E, and our own team. Part of it we also charter for the particular facilities management on terms of the healthcare. In terms of target client, basically we are targeting healthcare, commercial building, government building, and education. Any building which is served by the mechanical ventilation or air conditioning system, there is a probability on having an issues on the mold. So this is the main target clients provided and also based on our market. Why our products? Basically, our product can ensure asset reliability. By using our product, there is no damage on the aircon system, and it also can control fungal airborne related disease in the buildings. It also help out clients in terms of energy efficiency. Why? When you do ducting cleaning, basically you take out all the contaminants from the system. So by doing that, your company doesn't need to spend more money to cool off the air, and then you don't need to spend more maintenance on the fan. Part of the issues on terms of the mold remediation is the chemical. While we are using the biodegradable chemical with confirmed non-hazardous and safe to human use.
To reach out our client, we usually use social media, technical pocket talk, and our target is to go for GPI conference and exhibition as well as telephone call.
Customer relation, what we're going to do in the customer relation is basically going to do joint venture with local distributor. We're also going to do MOU and contracts for asset management company, and we will support technical support in terms of the licensed distributor and franchise. What we did here is basically putting up an agent to be our market frontline. So they will distribute and do lots of marketing for us. They will do the door opening and we will do the technical supports in terms of demonstration, in terms of product support to do the samples as well.
For key resources, we basically need OEM factory. We also need to run a lab and clean room to produce our microbial extract. We also need assessor and assistant assessor, equipment rental, microbiologist, technician for the site work, and as well as microbial tests conducted at university.
This is a cost structure where in the cost structure, what we did, we need paid up capitals. Working expenditure is about 144,500. Why we need to invest in terms of the equipment? We need to purchase the raw materials, the development cost of it, the registration with MyPo. We provide here as well the projection revenue for 3 years projection. So you can see the first year we can hit about 900,000, but with the current operational expenditure, we project our net profit will only be 28,000. 2023, when everything is secured with the contracts and also the MOU with our franchise and also distributor, we target a sales about 1.8 million, where net profit can be increased to 600. 2024 will be the gross sales of 300,000 and the net profit will be 1.2 million. Where there is also a risk doing this. Normally new products like us, which is doing biodegradables, is not be popular among the customer. Lack of the staff in key roles, we could delay on the product launch as well. We also going to face problem in terms of transportation and packaging because our samples and products is basically in liquid form. But the reward will be the first in the market. Good publicity for the product so far, what we did in the trial market survey, and we can build a momentum from that scenario. We also have a product testing with high value client which is indicate there is no issues reported officially.
The key issue here for the near term, we really need funding in key role, and what we intend to do is we really like to have a marketing director and the staff to do the product launching. And for the long term, we might need a larger space office and also additional employee to do the site work.